In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import footage into Nuke and view it in the viewer. We'll start right inside Nuke. The quickest way to bring media into your script is with a single keystroke. With the node graph active, press R on your keyboard. If you prefer menus, you can get to the same place by going to the image menu and choosing read. Both methods open Nuke's file browser, which is where you'll choose what you want to load. In the file browser, navigate to your footage. You can select either an image sequence or a single video file. If you're working with an image sequence, look for a folder of numbered frames. Selecting any frame in a properly numbered set will usually prompt Nuke to recognize the entire sequence. You'll see the file name display with a frame range pattern confirming that Nuke is treating it as a sequence rather than a single still. If you're loading a video file, just select that file as is. Take a moment to confirm that the frame range and resolution look right in the preview panel if it's available. This helps you catch mismatches early. Once you've chosen your sequence or clip, click Open. Nuke will create a read node in the node graph. This node is the source of your media inside the script. You can move it around to keep your workspace tidy, and if you select it, the Properties panel will show details like file path, frame range, and other metadata. This is a good quick check to make sure the correct file came in. To actually see your footage, connect the read node to a viewer. The fastest way is to select the read node and press 1 or 2 on your keyboard. Pressing 1 pipes the node into viewer 1 and pressing 2 pipes it into viewer 2. You'll notice the viewer update immediately with your image. If nothing changes, make sure the read node is highlighted before you press the shortcut. You can also switch between different nodes by selecting them and pressing the same keys again, which is handy for comparing sources later. Now that it's connected, scrub the timeline to make sure the frames play through as expected. If the clip looks too dark or too bright, remember you can adjust viewing transforms in the viewer without changing the file itself. And if you imported an image sequence, confirm the first and last frames line up with your project's timeline so playback stays in sync. That's it, your media is read into Nuke and visible in the viewer, ready for comping.